Every material in the resource library has a story behind it. So it's my job to manage how the story of each one of those materials is told, not only to the designer, but also to the client. You know, the really interesting thing about interior design is that sometimes those stories turn into a game of telephone. And it's very interesting to see how those stories morph into something that does not equal a design intent at all. My name is Peter Carey, and I own a company called Streamline Material Resourcing. I manage resource libraries for design firms, architecture firms, and large corporate end users. Environetics was one of the very first interior design firms. They were founded in 1947. They have a great legacy of corporate interior design. Environetics brought me into their space when they acquired the entire floor, and they were committed to turning most of that into a brand new resource library. When I set up resource libraries, I wanted to be closely aligned to the work that the firm does. For Environetics, fabric was a very, very critical element for them. And so we expanded their fabric holdings, we doubled them. The way that I organize resource libraries, I like it to be almost like a retail environment where designers can see an array of different materials that will fit their application, but it is presented to them in a friendly way that they don't have to know about the name of the thing that they're looking for. Environetics never had a resource librarian before. And as the industry has changed, so have they. And as I have set up the library for them, it is made to change as they evolve as well. One of those ways is through intuitive signage. So as their workload may change, I'm able to switch out drawers and bins and have that to be relevant to the work that they're currently working on. Many times for my design firm clients, I will curate a vendor trade show. And what that entails is that I will invite my trusted vendors to come into each firm and present their new products. Vendors tell me that they love the trade shows because it isn't an hour-long obligation where they only talk about their product. And the designers understand all of those different applications and how they can come together. It's so important to see so many different materials coming together in really unexpected ways. What I'm really good at is connecting the dots between performance and aesthetics when it comes to materials as well as application.